In this video, I'll show you how to find your YouTube channel ID and your user ID. Alright, so let's get straight into it. The first step is you must be logged into your actual YouTube account, and we're just going to go up on the right side right here and click on your image and go down to YouTube Studio. So that'll bring you into your YouTube Studio dashboard, and right on this left side we're going to scroll down to Settings. And once you're in the Settings tab, you're going to go to Channel. Click on that. Then you want to click on the Advanced Settings tab. Now once you're in the Advanced Settings tab, you're going to scroll all the way down and click on Manage YouTube Account. Now once you're here, you're going to go right down to View Advanced Settings and click on that. And right here, you'll be able to see your YouTube user ID and your channel ID. Alright, and if you want to copy it, you'll just click on this right here. So now that you have your user ID and your channel ID, you can now paste it into wherever you need to use it. Alright, so thanks for watching the video. Hope you got some value from it. Make sure you like the video, drop a comment if you got any questions, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to get further YouTube tutorials. Alright, so thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.